Hello everyone, today we're gonna be replacing the fog light with LED bulbs. The light here are 6000K. Here you see the old halogen bulb in the fog light. And on the wall here you can see that the LED on the left is brighter than the halogen on the right bottom. Here's the LED bulb that we're gonna be installing. It's a H11, but the factory bulb that they install is a H8, which is running on lower power, but they are the same as H11 when you use LED bulb. Gonna crawl under the car now. And with the height of the car, you don't really need to jack the car up at all. Here you can see the fog light with a yellow sticker on it. See the light gray plug here. There's two clips on both sides, so when you do this, you with two hands it's really easy to take it out. But here I'm holding a camera, so it's a little bit slower here for me to clip the two clip on both sides with one hand. Now you can twist the light bulb clockwise and then pull it out. Now we're gonna insert the LED bulb in, try to align the bulb socket best you can to the housing and twist it counterclockwise to secure it. Alright, we got it. Twist it counterclockwise and it's secure. And now you can see the brown wire is going to be the positive wire, so you can align with the positive on the LED bulb plugs here, and once it click in here, the wire is secure. Now we're gonna crawl on the passenger side and do the same. And this might be easy for me because my Ford is off-road package FX4, so it's higher than the other model. So we're gonna try unclip the plug here. And push it down. And then twist it counterclockwise on this side. And then insert the LED bulb. Make sure it's aligned to the socket, and then we're gonna twist it clockwise to secure the bulb in place. And on this side, the positive wire can be yellow, so make sure you align that with the positive on the LED connector, and make sure when you push the two connect together it clicks in. Do a quick inspection here. Also, I'm gonna install this 300mm Broadway rear view mirror. This gonna improve the rear visibility.